In 2020, Congress government in Madhya Pradesh collapsed after Jyotiraditya Scindia and 22 MLAs joined BJP. Digvijay Singh blamed differences between Kamal Nath and Scindia for the fall. Kamal Nath hit back, saying Scindia believed Digvijay was running the government leading to his exit. BJP leader Narottam Mishra called the Congress government baby-like and said it collapsed due to pampering and infighting. He said Digvijay Singh, not Kamal Nath, controlled the government. This blame game has again exposed deep rift in the Congress leadership. Union Health Minister JP Nadda signed agreements to open 4 new medical colleges in Dhar, Baitul, Panna and Katni under PPP model. He also inaugurated colleges in Shivpur and Singrauli virtually. Shivpur College cost Rs 305 crore while Singrauli's was Rs 242 crore. These colleges aims to increase medical seats and improve healthcare access in tribal and backward areas. The launch event was held at Jabalpur's Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Cultural Center. This initiative is expected to strengthen Madhya Pradesh health infrastructure significantly. At IISER Bhopal's 12th convocation, Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan appealed to young graduates to stay in India and contribute to the nation's growth. Emotional during his speech, he reminded 423 graduates that India's progress depends on their talent and skills. He urged them not to seek foreign job but to build a stronger India with their knowledge. The audience responded with enthusiastic applause, signaling strong support for his patriotic message. Rajya Sabha MP Sumitra Balmik was stopped by police while trying to attend a BJP meeting chaired by party president JP Nadda in Jabalpur. A heated exchange erupted as workers accused police of pushing the MP. Senior BJP leader intervened, allowing Balmik to enter eventually. The incident embarrassed local administration and sparked political controversy in the city. Nadda was addressing BJP workers from various divisions when the disruption occurred. Madhya Pradesh DGP announced award for 80 police officers and staff, mainly from Raisen district. Recipients range from STOPs to constable and include Assistant Police Commissioner Avinash Sharma from Vallabh Bhavan. The award recognized dedication, honesty and bravery in service. Officials said these honors aims to boost morale and motivate police forces to improve public safety and crime control across the state. A workshop held at Vikas Bhavan in Bhopal focused on making Panchayat governance more transparent and responsible. Panchayat Raj Directorate official urged Sarpanch to realize their power, comparing them to Hanuman's strength. The session aimed to improve awareness on development, proper fund use and honest decision making. Local body representatives attending the workshop responded positively, showing readiness to improve grassroots governance. BJP MP Alok Sharma ignited controversy during a Matki Ford event in Bhopal by saying Bhopal does not belong to Muslims. The statements triggered strong criticism from Congress State Chief Jeetu Patwari, who called Sharma's comment divisive and irresponsible. Patwari emphasized that Bhopal belongs to all citizens of Madhya Pradesh and India. This incident has intensified communal tensions ahead of upcoming elections in the state capital. Indore 3 MLA Golu Shukla requested authorities to shut meat and liquor shops near temples during the Ganesh festival to respect faith and tradition. He wrote to the mayor and district administration suggesting shops be closed or at least covered with curtain if closure is not possible. Shukla said that the festival unites communities and public sentiments should be respected. His demand has strong support from residents seeking peaceful and respectful celebrations. Gwalior police arrested an engineering student Radha Chaube and 2 accomplices for secretly recording couples in hotel rooms using tiny spy cameras hidden in bulb holders. Radha booked rooms to trap victims and blackmailed one couple for ₹1 lakh using their private video. Police seized the device and are investigating the case. This shocking incident has raised concern about privacy and safety of hotel guests in the city. Weather department has warned of heavy rains across 22 districts including Gwalior, Morena, Rewa and Panna. Bhopal and Indore saw intermittent shower on Monday. Authorities urge people to avoid flood-prone areas and take safety precautions. Farmers welcome the rain, hoping for good crop growth, while urban residents prepared for possible waterlogging and traffic disruption. Officials continue to monitor weather conditions closely.